Okie doke, next up we're trying Chase P. What's up, Chase? You're gonna try 2 of these plates and patches. I don't know if I told you numbers or just grabbed them, man. I can't remember if I told you numbers. Well, here they are. If I didn't, I just grabbed them. Chase, stationed over in Iraq. What's going on, bro? Here we go, man. Make sure I got it right. Yeah, two 2010 plates and patches. There we go. And the hit is wing. A cut. Looks like Hank Doan. Number to 33, Hank Soar. Oops, sorry. Hank, it's hard to see when they're top loaded, there's a glare. There we go. Hank Soar. Cut autograph. Number to 33. There we go. Have to check out and see what Hank did. Uh-oh. See a redemption. Alright. Reggie Bush, $4.99. Mike Wallace, $4.99. Cedric Benson, $100. Damian Williams to $2.99. And the hits. Keep on coming. Keith Toston, autograph, $2.49. Brandon LaFell, jersey, $2.99. Peyton Manning, 2-color jersey. Number to 50. Might be a patch. They might consider that patch. And RPS rookie signatures, 233. Or sorry, 233. Which is Taylor Price, 233. Okie dokie. Let's try round 2. Ooh, nice. RPS rookie signatures, card 210. See, that one has Dexter McCluster, Chiefs. So that's a Chiefs jersey or patch auto. 19. Cedric Benson, $4.99. Dwayne Bowe, $4.99. Arian Foster to $100. Mike Williams to $2.99. Oh, we just pulled one earlier. A Mark Mariani autograph. Redemption. Now there's one made. Number to 249. Mark Mariani. That's the one everybody was really hot about there for a minute. David Nelson. Number to 249. Nice Carson Palmer patch. Heard he put his house up for sale in Cincinnati. They ain't letting him go. He's selling his house and leaving. See ya. That's number 12 of 50. Emmanuel Sanders jersey to $2.99. Okie doke, Chase. That'll do, sir, man. I appreciate it, buddy, as always. I'll get these sorted and right out to you. See ya.